Hey, what's up XRP holders? So this is very urgent update because my friend XRP is completely fails down. You can see here especially the previous 24-hour, my friends, they are completely go very fastly down, especially all crypto market. You can see here this time all crypto market very badly fails down. But this time, my friends, definitely in the last hour, my friend, absolutely they fails down. So what's the prediction of coming times? They moving upward or they fails down more? Let's start without any time waste, my brother. Kindly, if you are new on our channel, most welcome, and kindly subscribe our YouTube channel because this channel is absolutely guide you, my brother. And if you follow this channel, I hope, my brother, you never lost any time. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribe our YouTube channel. All right, first of all, the update is very important to understand, my friend, and remember what I told you in the start of this video. My friend, remember this change occur, remember this price. This is very important for the latest prediction, my friend. This time you can see here minus 2.23% they fails down just in 1 hour. So I think this is very bad falls because just in only in the 1 hour, my friend, if they 2% fails down, so definitely in the last 24 hours they are very highly fails down. But remember, my friends, to after a very bad fall, my friends, they also take a very good jump. Yeah, this is a reality, my friend, in a crypto market. So let's see, my friends, the last 24-hour chart, and after last 24-hour chart, my friends, we predicate this to upcoming times they move upward or they fails down. So let's check out, my friends. Let's click on the last 24-hour chart, my friends. If you can see here this time, the last 24-hour chart is absolutely an average. If you can see here, my friends, the change occur is minus 4.67% fails down just in only, my friend, in the last 24 hours. So definitely, what's the big reason, my friends, today fails down? The main reason is that today, especially the short time investor who invest for a short time, they are starting investing, they are starting selling. So therefore, my friends, they fails down very fastly. But our remember, a long time investor don't see this short fails. I hope, my friends, after a short fails they take a very good jump. So don't see this short fail. You can see here after a very short jump, my friends, they take a very long fails. But definitely after this fails they also take a very good jump in upcoming time. This is the circulation style of all crypto market. So this time absolutely, my friend, XRP also take a very good jump after this fails. So kindly hold it, my friends, don't sell it. It does not mean to you starting selling. Hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time the prices will be going up like a rocket. Definitely the price is 1.53. I hope they can hit $2 just in only, my friend, at the end of this month. Thanks for watching, all of you. Kindly subscribe this channel for this type more informative videos. Every stake channel is update you every time and you never lost if you follow this channel. Like this video, subscribe this channel.